Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1, game on.
Oh, really? Oh, really?
No. Woo. Oh shit.
Oh, God damn it. So sneaky.
Yeah, it's kind of campy, but whatever.
Come out. Come out, Jed.
Can I look through this?
Quit hiding, you wimp! Really?
I'm serious. I have a t-shirt on. You're shooting .32s. I'm gonna crumple over like a piece of paper if you hit me. Where'd I hit you?
In the leg.
Oh my god. Okay, switch sides.
I have to win one game. Damn it.